Beneath our feet lies a massive source of energy. Crude oil is extracted through massive fields every day. This is where the journey from deep underground to the fuel pump begins. Before drilling begins, geologists survey the land. Seismic waves map underground rock structures. This data pinpoints vast reserves trapped miles below. A massive rotary rig carves deep into the earth. Specialized drilling mud circulates, cooling the bit and removing rock cuttings. This continuous operation paves the way to the oil. Steel casing pipes are lowered into the hole. Then, they are cemented securely in place. Workers monitor pressure gauges throughout. Pump jacks pull crude oil from deep underground. It flows through pipelines into massive storage tanks. Crude oil is transferred through pipelines. It feeds directly into giant storage tanks. Valves and pumps operate continuously. Crude oil is transported by pipelines, tanker trucks, and railway tank cars toward a massive refinery. Inside the refinery, crude oil enters towering distillation columns. Intense heat separates it into essential fuels. Crude oil is broken down using advanced refining units. Processors like catalytic cracking and hydrotreating remove impurities. Fuel is loaded into tanker trucks, railway tankers, and marine tankers for delivery to fuel stations, airports, and industries across the country. From the ground to the pump, this vast journey powers our everyday world.